In this video, I'll talk about how you can activate Fiat services on Binance. Now, first step is you want to log into your account, and you can either do that through the website or through the mobile app. After that, it's important that you complete the identity verification. So you have to send either your ID or stuff like this to be verified. And once you've made sure that you're verified, this can take, for some people it takes a few minutes, for some it can take an hour, and some it can even take up to 24 hours. But just make sure that you're verified, and after that you just have to enable the services. So what you want to do is access the payment settings. So go to your account dashboard, go to payment methods, or you can also press on the buy crypto, add your new payment method. You can just select add a new method and then select which one you want to do. So it can either be bank transfer, it can be with your card, and after that you just want to verify it, and that way you have activated your Fiat services. So that is how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.